Hi Putri. Hi Queen.
Uh,
Okay, how are you all today?
fine. How about you?
I'm fine too, Putri. Thank you for asking. What about Queen? Queen, what about you, Queen? How are you today? Is Queen there? Not sure. Ifa is here. Hi Ifa.
Hi, Kafano.
Okay, good. Can you all listen to my voice or was it not clear? Can you all listen to my voice?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Because last time when I have class with my other class, with the other students, they cannot really listen to my voice. So I just want to make sure at first that you all can listen to my voice. Then I can begin the class. Okay? Okay, good. So far we got Ifa, Queen, and Putri. I'm not sure about the other, but they can just follow up. Okay, so for today's class, we're going to study about present tense. Okay, we're going to talk about present tense. But before we go there, let's just review a little bit about present. Let's just review about personal pronoun and possessive adjective and also possessive pronoun. Okay, so Ifa, can you tell me, Ifa, what is possessive adjective and what's the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun? Maybe you can also give us some example. If you think explain about it a bit difficult, then you can give me an example. Ifa, can you do it? Oh yeah, Queen, of course. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
okay.
Kafano.
Can you tell me the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun? Yeah, that's okay, Queen.
So, Kafano bisa bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris, Kafano?
In English, I prefer in English.
Possessive adjective is always followed by a noun. Example, your phone, my brother, his dog. Habis itu, possessive pronoun is used with a noun kayak his, hers, yours, theirs, ours, mine.
Okay, good, great. Um, so very good. So Ifa, you're done. What about you, Putri? Can you tell me a little bit about personal pronoun? And what's the difference between personal pronoun I and me? Can you maybe give us some example about that one first? Oh, Ella is here. Hi, Ella. Putri, can you do it? Where's Putri? Is Putri here?
I can hear
Oh, wow, Putri, I cannot really listen to your voice. I think there's a...
I can listen to your voice.
Okay, good. So go ahead, Putri. Can you tell me what is personal pronoun and what's the difference between I and me? Can you maybe give us some example?
In English, Kak?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, personal pronoun. Per Personal pronoun are used for a specific object or person, and they change their forms to indicate the different genders, numbers, case, and the person speaking.
What's the difference between I and me? When do we use I and when do we
Okay.
use me? Yeah.
We can use I in the first.
word in the sentence, and we can use me in behind, behind or
Like
between
at the end of the
the word.
sentence or between the sentence. When
Yes,
you want to start another sentence. Yeah, good. Great, Putri. Okay, great job for the review moment. Now we are going to continue with our today's material. Okay, so far we only got Ella, Ifa, and Putri. Do you know where's the other students? Where are the other students? Are they joining the class or not? Do you have any idea about the other students? Who do we have in the class? We have Yano, Chris. Who else? Queen. Okay, Queen is absent today. Arya, Anya. Do you have any informations about them? Anyone?
No, Kakak.
Oh, okay, good. Hi, Ella. Okay, great. So, so let's just continue with three of us. Okay, four of us. I mean, is that okay if we continue with only four of us? Yep,
It's okay.
it's okay. Can I now ask you to turn on your camera so I can all see your beautiful smile and your beautiful faces today? Hi, Ella. Okay, great. Putri, Ifa, what about both of you? Oh wow, there's so many. Okay, wait. I will check it after this. Oh my god, I've been waiting for that. Okay, sorry for that. My old friend just texted me 2 days ago. Oh my god, my bad. I didn't check my Instagram. Okay, wait. Anyway, let's continue again. Yeah. So yeah, so I was texting with my friends from French. We follow a program together like 3 or 4 years ago, and I texted him last week, and I haven't checked my Instagram ever since. So I didn't know that he texted me back. Oh my god, my bad. Okay. So anyway, let's continue again. I'm gonna share the screen and then we can continue talking about present tense. Okay. Where are you, present tense? Yeah. Can you see the screen now, everyone? Share screen.
Not yet.
Not yet. Wait, yeah. It's processing. Yep. Okay. Can you all see it now? Ella, can you see it? Ifa, Putri, can you all see it?
Yes.
Oh, Arya is joining. Okay,
yes.
great. Good, great. Okay, so everyone tell me. So I've written present tense over here on my Microsoft, but I haven't write anything yet because I want you to explain it to me. I've told you before to study about it. So yeah, what do you know about present tense? And I'm sure you've been studying this long time ago with Kaka Ancha, with Kaka I don't know who, with the other Kaka that have been teaching you English. So I'm sure you understand about present tense before. Hi Arya.
Hi Kakak.
Okay, great. So who wants to explain to me present tense? I'm gonna give you score by the way. So for this kind of situations that we have in the class right now, I'm also taking your score. So yeah, who wants to say about who can explain about present tense to me? You can explain anything. So it doesn't have to be kakafano kayanya this one is the correct one. So I have to say this one, or I have to check on Google first to say this one. Nope, it doesn't matter. If you say it wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay, we're learning together. So if you make mistakes, go ahead. That's okay. It's part of learning.
Can I try that?
Yep, go ahead, Putri. Yeah,
Oh my god. Please don't wrong. Okay.
that's okay.
mm, maybe uh present tense is a tense
Mhm.
to expressing an action that is going on or habit
Mhm.
what is English?
Habit. Okay.
Habitually, maybe. I don't.
Habitual. Great word. Habitual.
Okay. Uh, or a state that correctly or generally exists, like um, I like um, I I'm I am
I am, yeah. Go ahead. You're correct so far.
I um, I'm going.
I'm going. No. Not
I'm
really.
go or
Okay,
go.
if you say I go, then that's correct. But if you say I'm going, not really. I go to school. Is that what you want to say before? I go to school, right? I
Me
go to
kakak.
school. Okay. Okay, Arya. Thank you, Putri. Great job. Arya, go ahead, Arya. What do you know about
Yes
present
kakak.
tense?
Present tense is a word used to express repetitive activities or such
Hmm.
as routines and habit.
Routines. Habit. Great job. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just gonna write repetitive or habit. Yep. Good. Very good, Arya. Okay, great job. Anyone else? Ifa, Ella, maybe? Do you want to add something or do you think it's enough? So far, we got explained about the habitual actions or repetitive, something that is going on or like something that is happening over and over again, and general informations, just like what Putri say. Yep. What else? Ifa, Ella, maybe? Do you have anything else? Or that's it? Mm-hmm.
Ya ke sana?
Okay, Ifa, do you have anything else about present tense?
No,
No, okay, that's
no,
okay. Ella, what about you, Ella? Do you have anything else about present tense?
no, Kakak. I think that's enough.
That's enough. Okay, good. Great job. Okay, so far we got the habitual action and general information. Great job. Okay, so now who can tell me about the formula of present tense? So of course, each tenses they have formula. Okay. Yeah. So now who can tell me what's the formula of present tense? Formula of present tense.
The formula is
Arya,
subject, verb
subject.
one, and object kakak.
Great job. Subject plus verb one plus object. Yeah. So remember everyone, this is the basic formula of present tense, okay? So if we want to study about other tenses, you have to at least remember about present tense, the formula for present tense. But there's an exception. Like this one, if you say this one, it's correct. But there's an exception in which verb 1, we need to change it a little bit, okay? So we have to change verb 1 because there are two forms for verb 1. It could be plus s or plus es. Have you ever read about this one before or have you ever studied about this one? Where we have to put s or es at the end of the verb 1. Has anyone studied about this one before? Subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. Okay. Okay. Okay, if no one has studied about that before, so Arya, can I ask you to make one example, Arya?
Mana tuh
So you
Prina?
so you say the formula before, Arya. So maybe can you also make
Yes
the
kakak.
example? Can you also provide the example for us?
Uh, I take a book kakak.
I take a book. Great job. I take a book. Okay. Great job. Putri, what about you, Putri?
Um, go school.
Great job. She goes to school. Okay. Now I have a question. Now I have a question. This is not only for Putri, but this question is for everyone. Why do I have to write goes? She goes. Why did I say I take a book, but I say she goes to school instead of she go? Does anyone know? What's the reason? What was the reason? Why do I have to put es at the end of the go? Anyone?
Maybe because she, he, it is plus S or ES.
Mm-hmm.
I do, they, you don't need S or ES.
Yeah, great job. It's because they are third person singular. Okay, so you just have to remember for third person singular, which are just like Ella say, he, they are he, like he, she, and it. They are the third person singular, or I would just say a special subject, third person singular, singular. Yeah, you could have just say it special subject. So for these three, we have to use s. Either we plus s or we plus es at the end of the verb. Okay. So if I use Arya sentence, I take a book. If I change it into Arya take a book. What do I have to do in the sentence? Do I have to change something? Do I have to add something? What do you think? Arya take a book. Is that sentence correct already?
Uh,
What do you think? Yeah. What do you think? Arya
not
take a book.
kakak.
Yeah. What do I
Take
have to do?
plus S kakak.
Great job. Take plus
Become
S, which is
takes.
takes. Great job, Arya. Yep. Very good. So Arya takes a book, not Arya take a book. Okay, so far we're getting it. What if I change the subject like this? Okay. What do you think now? Is this correct? Ella and Ifa takes a book. What do you think?
Mm, no.
Why not?
No,
Why
no.
not? Why not?
Because Ella and Ifa is more than 1%. So it seems like they. Ella
Hmm.
and Ifa is
Great job. Yeah. Because it's already more than 2%, so we
okay.
cannot say takes. Instead, we have to just say take. Great job. Okay, very good. Yeah. What about this one? Can you analyze the sentence? What do you think about the sentence? Is the sentence correct already, or do you have to change something? The cat sleeps under the table. The cats sleep under the table. Anyone?
No, Papa.
Yeah. Why no, Ifa? Can you explain to me why no?
Karena kan cat-nya kan pakai S di belakang. It
Mhm.
means kan berarti selebih dari satu. Berarti
Yeah.
yang sleeps-nya tuh harus hapus Stefano.
Yep. Very good explanation, Ifa. But I wish you could say that in English. Your explanation is good and it's correct, but I wish you could say that in English. Can you, Ifa? Can you try?
Yes.
Mhm.
Because the cat is more than one,
Mhm.
so we have to erase the S. So we have to change sleep to sleep.
Yep. Good. Great job. Very good. So we have to change sleeps into sleep only without the S. Great job. Wow. Okay. Good. So far for the positive sentence for present tense, do you have any questions so far about plus S and ES? Do you have any questions so far?
Mm, no.
Can you understand everyone?
Yes, Stefano.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna explain a little bit about which verbs that use s and which verbs that use es. Okay. For example, like sleep, sleep. So we only plus s, right? Plus s only. Yeah, but there are also some verbs that we need to change. Oh, sorry. That we need to change, or we have to just add es. For example, go. We do not say goes like this. No, it would be wrong. Instead, we say we plus es and then we say goes. Okay. What about watch? What do you think? Watch. Should we add s or es? What do you think? Watch.
Yes.
Watch plus
ES,
es di
ES,
belakang.
Es. Great job. Es. Fly. What do you think? Fly.
Just
I
plus
E S.
Mm-hmm.
uh, wa,
I
Y diubah jadi I,
Great job. Wow. We changed y into e and then
ES.
yes.
plus
Great job.
yeah.
Yeah. Have you studied about this before? Everyone? Ella, Ifa, Putri, Arya, have you studied about this?
Yes, but I like little bit forget about it.
Oh, okay. Okay then. So if you all, I see that some of you already know about this one, so I think I'm just gonna skip this one. Okay. So at least you know which one do we have to add s and which one do we have to. Oh, I mean, which one do we have to add es or s, and which one we don't have to add anything. Great job then. Okay, so again, just like any other tenses, any other sentence and tenses, we do have what we call with positive, negative, and interrogative questions. Okay, and the one that we're studying right now, or the one that we made right now, that we are making right now, are positive sentence. Okay, so they're positive sentence. Okay, positive sentence, verbal. This is for verbal. Verbal means there's a verb inside the sentence. Okay, there's a verb here, there's a verb here, there's a verb here. Okay. Now if I say something like this, yeah. Is this a verbal sentence? Is this a verbal sentence, everyone?
No.
No, yeah. Because there's no verb here. There is, however, to be, that forms as a verb in the sentence, but this is not a true verbs. So that's why we call this a nominal sentence, because there is no verb. Nominal sentence. Yeah, just gonna put s. And this one is the verbal sentence. Okay, we're going back to nominal sentence after this. I think we're just gonna focus on verbal sentence first. Okay, so that's positive sentence. Now, how to make negative sentence? Arya takes a book. Okay, can anyone help me to change this sentence into negative sentence? Who can do this? Who can do it? So use the sentence Arya takes a
Arya,
book. Arya, yep.
Arya doesn't take a book.
Great job. Arya doesn't take a book. Doesn't take or doesn't takes, Ella? What do you think? Doesn't.
Doesn't take because it's negative. So s or es is not tidak dipakai
Why not?
because the es maybe is karena
Mm-hmm.
es-nya udah dipakai di doesn't.
Great job. Yep.
Maybe
So,
because
oh yeah,
he don't
Putri,
do.
because.
Maybe because he don't do that.
Oh, so you say don't.
Maybe.
It's supposed to be don't or doesn't. What do you
Does.
think, Putri? Doesn't.
I only
Okay.
that doesn't. Sorry.
Okay, good. That's okay. That's okay. So Putri just gave up a new idea about don't. Yeah. So why do we use doesn't here? Ella, why do we use doesn't here? Why not don't? Why don't we use don't?
Because Arya is third person. Ar
Mm-hmm. Third person singular. So he,
yes, a
she,
third
it.
person singular.
Yeah. Very good. So Putri, just like Ella said, if it's third person singular, we do use does. Okay? Does, positive. Negative will be doesn't. So that's why for Arya, Arya doesn't. Wait, let me change the handwriting so you're not confused this one. Okay, that one. It's too big. Okay. Arya doesn't take a book. Good job. Okay, so this is negative sentence. And how do you make it into interrogative question?
Does Arya take a book?
Does Arya take a book? Okay, good. Good job. Okay. Oh wait, I cannot make capital letters if it shows like this. Wait, yeah. Okay, you know, maybe I should not just use this one. Maybe the normal one would do. Uh, okay, just like this. Doesn't matter. Does Arya take a book? Okay, so this is the first example. We got Arya takes a book. Arya doesn't take a book. Does Arya take a book? Okay, that's good so far. Now, what about this sentence? Ella and Ifa. How do you make it into negative sentence? Because this one is positive sentence. So how do you make it into negative
Okay.
sentence?
Ella and Eva
And
don't
Eva
take a
doesn't
book.
take a book.
Yeah, Ella and Ifa, or you could also say they. That's okay. Don't take a book. Whoops. Yeah. Okay, what about, what is it? Question for interrogative sentence. How do you make it into interrogative sentence? What should we use first? What do we use first? If we want to make it into a sentence, we have to begin with
Do
do. Yeah.
do Ella and Eva take a book?
Do they, or you can say do Ella and Ifa, that's okay. Do they take a book? Yeah. So that's the correct one, okay? So we use do if there's a verb, okay? If there's a verb, we either use do or we use does, okay? Now let's go back to, okay, good. Now let's go back to the nominal sentence. She is a student. How do you make it into negative sentence? She is a, oops. She is a student. How do you make it into negative sentence? Anyone? She, does anyone know? She
She not
is, to be first, don't forget the to be. She is not a student.
Student.
Student, okay. She is not a student without S, sorry. Okay, how do you make this into question sentence?
Hmm. Is
is she a
she
student?
a student?
Great job. Is she a student? Yeah, oops, without S. Okay. So again, when do we use do when we want to make a question, and when do we use is when we want to make a question? Can you see the difference? So over here, when we want to make a question, we use does or do, right? Does or do.
Yes.
But the other sentence, however, we use is. Is she a student? Yeah. Can anyone tell me why? Why don't we just say, do she a student? Does she a student?
Because in the sentence is in there not a verb.
Good, great job. Because there is no verb. in the sentence. Okay, so that's why I said to you before, this is a nominal sentence because there is no verb. There is no verb. Okay, over here on the other hand, over here there is a verb. Where is the verb? The verb is take. Okay, so now if I make a sentence like this, okay, now which one is correct if I make the sentence like this? Which one is correct? Do we Indonesian or are we Indonesian? Which one is
Are
correct?
are we?
Why are we Indonesian?
Because in there is another verb.
Yeah, great job. There is no verb. This is a nominal sentence. Therefore, we have to say, are we Indonesian? Okay. What about this one? Okay. Which one is correct? Am I studying English or do I study English?
Do I
Do
study?
I?
Do I study English? Why do I study English is correct. Why don't I say am I study
Because
English?
Because
because
there's
there is a
verb.
verb.
Because there is a verb. Yep, great job. Very good. However, be careful on this one. But if we're studying about present continuous, which means we have to use ing, studying, then we cannot use do here. We have to use am. Okay. We will study about that later. Okay. Yeah. But for now, let's just focusing on present tense. So yeah, I'm coming up. Wait. What did I do? Okay. Do I? Okay. Now go back. Let's go back to our very first questions about the use of do and are. Do you still remember the question that I gave you like two meetings before? The questions were,
Oh, where do you
where
come
are
from,
you come
or
from?
where are you come from, or
And where do you come from?
do you come? Yes.
Now let's go back again to this question. Which one is correct?
Do
Which one is correct?
where, where do you
Where?
come from?
Okay. Others, what do you think? Which one is correct? So Putri say where do you come from is correct. Arya, Ifa, Ella, what do you think? Which one is correct?
Where do you come from?
Where do you come from? Okay, Ifa, Arya.
Where do you come from?
Okay, great. Why? Where do you come from? Why do we have to say where do you come from and not where are you come from? Why this one is correct
Because
and this one is wrong? Why?
in there is a come, and come is a verb.
Yep, great job. So that's the answer. Okay. So if anyone ever says something like this, "Hey Putri, where are you come from?" Then you can correct them. No, Kakafano say where are you come from is wrong. We have to say where do you come from? Why? Because we have a verb in the sentence, come. So that's why we cannot say where are you come from, but where do you come from? Can you understand it, everyone?
Yes, Kakak.
Yeah. Okay, good. Last one. Last example.
Mm,
Which one is correct?
do Why do you study English?
Nice guess. What about others? Others? So Putri say, why do you study English? What about others? What is your answer? What do you think is the correct one? Where are you studying English, or why do you study? Why are you studying English, or where? Why do you study English? Anyone? Arya, Ella, Ifa?
Why do you have
Ifa, can you explain to me why do you study English is the correct one? Can you explain to me maybe?
karena apa namanya kan panggilan ya I don't know karena kelas misalnya coba kayak waktu itu misalnya ingat ada orang yang kayak gitu jadi Akhirnya pikir oh kayaknya why do you deh.
Why do you? Okay. I need a grammatical reason actually. Memang betul. Why do you study English? Betul. Tapi Kakak Vano mau alasan grammarnya. Kenapa sampai yang begitu yang betul? Okay. Ella, can you help Ifa? Maybe Ella, can you help Ifa to explain? We have less than 1 minute, so maybe you can make it quick, Ella. Kenapa why do you study English itu
Um,
betul?
because there's a verb
Which one is the verb?
study.
Study is the verb, ya. So Iva yang kalimat ini betul karena ada verb, kata kerjanya ada di situ. Jadi tidak bisa pakai are. Are ini